Thanks again for checking in as we take a look at your extreme weather outlook. We have a fire threat in the Northeast once again. We'll talk about that and the severe risk that'll take us into the next several days in the southern U.S. But a pretty chilly and wet pattern ahead, even through mid-April. Looks like we're going to have an increase in precipitation and maybe even severe weather events over that next 2 to 3 week time period. Starting you off with the elevated fire risk in the Northeast. It does include New York up to Boston, where we do have some red flag warnings, and again, dry, breezy within these areas post-storm system that did bring a fairly decent amount of water and wind across the coastal communities. Wind advisory continues for northern New England, and of course those winds may be upwards of 40 to near 50 miles per hour before dwindling. As we take a look at the snow through 7 p.m. Saturday, still picking up a little bit in the far northern reaches of the northern New England states, but precip is on the way for tomorrow, and there could be a decent amount, maybe some quarter to half-inch amounts on a widespread basis. Enjoy the sunshine today while you can. Here comes that next system rolling out of the midsection of the nation. Temperatures here today will be warmer in Dallas and Houston into the 80s, back to the 80s in Phoenix after some 70s yesterday, and it looks like Los Angeles could be topping out near 90 early next week, but we have some chillier weather on the way today and tomorrow. It will be a little cooler in the upper Midwest. Chicago almost 10 degrees below average, but the extended outlook really does keep us chillier than average from the 11th to the 17th, and again, maybe even wetter than average across most of the nation. Severe weather concerns today in the lower Mississippi Valley and in the Gulf Coast region on Friday, and back into far western Texas Friday as well, and then a bigger slight risk in the lower Mississippi Valley on Saturday. So again, several days of active weather and also some pretty decent rain. We could see some widespread 1 to 2 inch liquid tallies as the showers and thunderstorms continue right through the weekend.